Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to fix your microphone issue on your Samsung device. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do when your microphone isn't working is to try restarting your Samsung device. To do so, you simply long press on your power button on your device. And then you'll see the restart option over here. If you tap on it, your phone will be set for restart, and then once it is opened again, try using the microphone one more time. If it still isn't working, then you might want to check the app in which the microphone doesn't work. For that, you simply long press on the app in which the microphone for your device isn't working. Suppose it is Messenger, then you tap on Messenger, and then you'll see the information icon that appears on the top right corner of this pop-up. You tap on it, and then what you do is you tap on the force stop option that appears on the bottom right corner. Confirm that you want to force stop. After that, you go ahead, scroll down and tap on storage. Here what you're going to do is you're going to clear cache and clear data. However, if you clear data, then all your login credentials will be lost, and then you might have to log into your Messenger account again. So check after you've cleared cache. If it still doesn't work, then you might need to clear data as well. If you've cleared cache, cleared data, you force stop the app and it still doesn't work, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and then see if this application has the permission for your microphone. As you can see, there's a permissions option down here. You tap on it and then you can see the microphone. You tap on it. Now here you can see that Messenger is allowed to use the microphone in this app. Sometimes if the don't allow option is selected, then that might be the reason why your microphone on your device isn't working. So make sure that this option is selected at all times. Another way to access permissions is go back and scroll down from the top of your screen, and then on the top right corner you can see the settings icon. You tap on it. After that, tap on the search icon that appears on the top right corner where you're going to search for permissions. Then you can see the permission manager option. You tap on it. After that, tap on permission manager, and then you can see all these devices in your phone and the apps that are allowed to use it. Here you can see the microphone option. You tap on it and now you'll see all these apps that are installed on your phone. Now what you're going to do is select the app that you want to allow the microphone access to. Suppose your microphone isn't working for Viber. Here you can see that don't allow option is selected. So what you're going to do is you're going to allow or provide microphone permission to Viber. Then the microphone issue will be solved for Viber. Similarly, if there are different apps, you simply tap on the app and then allow the permission for the microphone access, and then the app will be able to use your microphone. If it still doesn't working, then it might be because your phone is looking for a different mic source. Suppose you have a headphone jack or a Bluetooth device associated or connected to your phone, then it might be that it's looking for a sound input from that external device rather than your internal microphone. So if you're connected to a Bluetooth device, you might want to disconnect from your Bluetooth device to be able to use your internal microphone. However, if you have a headphone inserted to your phone, you might want to remove your headphone jack. However, if you're consistently inserting your headphone jack, but currently when the microphone isn't working, the headphone jack isn't inserted, you might want to try inserting and removing your headphone jack from your device, and then your microphone issue will be solved. However, if it's still not solved, then it might be a hardware issue for which you might want to consult a technician or a repair shop, and then the issue will be fixed. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, still let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.